Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be sharing you a very easy way to gain weight. Yes, you heard me right. So I'm going to be making a smoothie which is going to help you have enough calories so that your body can gain weight. So I'm going to be using bananas, oats, peanut butter and milk. Bananas are perfect for gaining weight because they are very high in calories, rich in fiber and full of antioxidants that reduce the risk of any heart diseases, so they are perfect. They also contain a lot of potassium which your body needs. Adding peanut butter to this recipe is perfect because it's going to help you feel full for longer, and also the peanuts are high in proteins. Milk is very crucial in our diet if you want to gain weight because it's full of calcium and also help in bone health. Milk also contains a lot of vitamins and minerals. Oats are high in fibers, iron and proteins. Also reduces the risk of any heart diseases. So all these ingredients have a lot of benefits to our body, and I've just mentioned a few. So I'm going to get started by adding in my milk. If you don't like milk, you can switch the milk with any plant-based milk or water. That is about a cup of milk, and then I'm going to add in my oats, some peanut butter, and then I'm going to peel in 3 bananas. There are people who struggle with gaining weight, so this recipe is for you. Cover, and then I'm going to blend. My smoothie is ready and it's smelling so good. From the peanut butter to the bananas, everything is just, the aroma is just perfect. So I'm going to pour myself some of the smoothie. And my oh my, just look at this smoothie. It's so creamy and dense and it's perfect for gaining weight. So I hope you try out this weight gaining smoothie, which is just perfect for your breakfast or as a snack. You can snack on your smoothie. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to catch you on my next episode.